better, the Gulf altimeter 3013.
Okay, 3013, 846. Alright, so doing an IVAR cross country from Panhandle of Florida to South Louisiana to a fly-in Pineville this time today. Meeting up a buddy up there. He's out of Gulfport, so they're going to fly. We're going to meet up. But so we've got this PS Engineering 200 or PAR200B that's got the Intella-Audio, and so I'll show you how to do the feature of that. Unfortunately, the way this thing records, you can't put any earbuds in and then distinguish the left and right channel while you're recording video of it. But if you ever get a chance to experience the Intella-Audio at one of the fly-ins, say Sun and Fun or Oshkosh, wherever PS Engineering has a booth, it's actually pretty phenomenal. And initially, I was surveying how I was going to upgrade my panel in the airplane. I didn't really think much about that feature of the Intella-Audio, and then now that I have it, I tend to use it more than I ever thought that I ever would. And when I'm flying with other people, I'm always looking for a mechanism to use the Intella-Audio. The big key feature of it is you're monitoring multiple frequencies. Most of the time, it's two frequencies, two radios in your airplane or aircraft. Then you can select the Intella-Audio, and it will transmit COM1 more pronounced in the left ear and COM2 more pronounced in the right ear. So if you're obviously going in and you're listening to weather on one frequency while at the same time you're dealing with center or approach, you can distinguish. It's really clear to distinguish which radio you're listening to with it more pronounced in one ear versus the other. So, like I said, I'm meeting up with a buddy, and I took off out of Panhandle of Florida, and he's taking off out of Gulfport. And our intent is to meet up and on fingers. So I've got the Intella-Audio selected, so I'm listening to approach or center in this case on my left ear, and I'm waiting for him to ping me on the right ear. When I start hearing some chatter on the right ear, then I'll know to start listening for him as well. So here's my panel, and then the PAR200B, the PS Engineering's. It's an audio panel, it's an intercom, and a second radio or a primary radio, based on how you have it configured, all in one. So it's one unit with three components. The Intella-Audio feature is this flip-flop switch down here for your frequency. So I'm listening here. The standby tray is obviously over here, and then I'm primarily on COM1 today, which is up in the 355, and so I'm up with Houston Center on that one today. And so my fingers waiting for my buddy to ping me. So what I do is I hold down the flip-flop. It eliminates COM1 and COM2, transmits down here. But then you get this little icon up in this top right corner next to the, tells me if my Bluetooth and my battery of my device that's connected is good. But you get that little circular icon in there, and it tells you that you're listening to both frequencies with the Intella-Audio.